Hi and welcome to oScholars tutorial. I'm Jay, and in this tutorial we're talking about timetable. Ezobi Chinyere is the name of the account that is logged in. Now the account is the account for a teacher, and we are going to use the portfolio of the teacher as the SS2A maths teacher to actually view the timetable of the teacher. Now when we click on this particular menu item, we'll be present with this interface, and on this interface we'll have this navigation at the left hand side. Clicking on the timetable, then we're presented with the personalized timetable of the login account member, which is Ezobichiyo. Ezobichiyo, this is the timetable, personalized timetable of the login account member, which is Ezobichiyo, and it's specifically talking about 2014-2015 third term. That is the current third term. That is the term that is actually attached to the SS2A, the SS2A mathematics that we use the interface to get there. Now we have that on Monday, period 1, she will not be having any class, but on by period 2, which is start from 8 a.m. to 9:20, she has SS2A mathematics and SS2D mathematics, and period 3 again SS2A. Now but on Thursday she has this one and this one. In case this one clashes and there is no convenience, she can't really teach these two classes at the same time, she will request that the person that created it should shift this one of them to another period of the day or period of the week. Now we have that she can actually access the timetable of the entire SS2A class, so that she can actually know whether anybody is having, there is any free period or any other thing as the case may be. Now we have that this is the full SS2A timetable. Well, this other one, if we go back to that one, is the timetable, her own personal timetable, referring to all the different classes that she teaches. In case even if she's not even teaching mathematics, she teaches mathematics with other subjects, all those ones will appear here. And with this we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in next tutorial, and make sure you sign up on oScholars.